There's 2 of them, I think.
Everyone's taking artsy pictures.
No, we found a crane.
And I take a picture of you guys taking a picture of nothing.
Everywhere you go, Logan, you're bringing spider webs with you.
I know.
I mean, like, why not?
It's just Spider-Man. Nose. Nose, I'm a nose. Falls off edge. Wow. I'm not trying to. Math class. I need some angles. Did you take some videos?
No, probably
take
it's
it out.
got
Take it out.
It's gone.
Wow. When you're attempting to murder someone.
Yep.
Holy crap.
What?
Mosquitoes. Everywhere. Everywhere. Like
yep. Mosquitoes. No, there's not.
No, take a video. Take a video.
I don't know, am I? I mean, like, look at the trees and the water.
What do you think, people? Then
that's not the water.
I'm so gorgeous.
No, she's not. Wrecked.
Comment down below if you think I am just a tree.
She is just a tree. Nothing more. She's nothing more than a tree. Than
Trees! Trees!
She's more likely a dead tree.
Help her. Can I carry the hobo stick?
Yes. Oh, my leg's starting to give out.
Why is your leg giving out if you're carrying a stick?
Oh!
No, my leg's
take it. I am a hobo. No, I'm a
help her!
Take a video of me walking behind
like a weirdo.
Oh.
No. We need the stick for the scavenger hunt!
That was very awkward.
Don't you think today is beautiful though? Like, I mean, like, it's so beautiful.
It's blowing away! Okay, Sarah, I can't. You can't because your leg is giving out. That doesn't have anything to do with it.
Sure.
Oh, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna support you.
Supporting me is not.
Helping. You're leaning me down.
Support it. Oh,
I got you. It's okay. Support a friend.
Like this video to support Sarah. She needs the medical attention now. She needs the doctor. Not really. I don't want to hold this.
You're holding it.
Yeah, I'm not holding it. I'm not holding it. There's no way.
Logan.
I probably sprained my leg.
Hold it.
You probably pulled a muscle when you probably pulled a muscle. You get it?
It almost fell. Ow. It almost fell. Ow. Are you okay? You need a friend. Sarah, put your arm around me.
What are you doing? You're just like... I'm not holding it. You can't make me hold it.
I can. It's called peer pressure now, people.
Peer pressure is dangerous. Don't ever pressure someone to do something they don't want to. I don't think I wanted to get whacked in the face.
Wait, stop. Wait a minute.
Wait, stop. Wait a minute. Okay, the minute's up.
Stop. Wait.
No.
Can you take our hobo stick?
He will not take the hobo stick. You have to learn how to carry it.
I have that.
I need to grasp to that dramatic.
Like, put your...
No, that
Need to learn how to carry it.
With your freaking trombone.
Oh,
sorry. I just broke.
And the trumpets, there you go. I gave you a flower. I hope you enjoy that delicious flower.
You idiot! What did you do? Logan just ate it. Children eat dandelions.
Yum. I think I'm gonna die.
They were fake.
That's not good. Don't do that.
That's not healthy.
Healthy things is like this.
Hey, take a video thing.
And there we have the house that's still not finished. It was supposed to be a spa. They never finished it.
Godzilla.
Roar.
No, wait, take it. Ah!
See, there's the house. That's supposed to be a kitchen right there. That's going to be like the spa behind us. But they still haven't opened it. But the statues here are beautiful.
Here.
I'm not holding that stick.
Focus the face. Now you are.
As I was saying, the good things is this. Pet the tree until it's okay.
Uh-oh. Logan, are you okay?
No, I have medical attention to get medical attention.
It's okay, Tree.
You have medical attention, you get medical attention.
Yeah.
It's okay, Tree.
I need medical attention.
You do.
Someone call 911. Wait, what's the number to 911? That's the London one. No, wait. Yeah. See? There's the statue right there. It's beautiful.
Does anyone know what the number to 911 is?
I don't think anyone does do that. Ooh. Look how pretty the stream is.
Oh, I want to take pictures. Watch out.
Why?
Look, we're way behind. Ooh, I need to take a picture.
Of course, she does. Literally, though.
See, there's plastic over there. That black stuff. That black stuff. Wait, I want to do something, Logan.
The waves are increasing because the wind is getting stronger. We need to go faster.
Now, Bill, and I'm the science guy. No shit.
How do you know I'm Bill? How do you know I could be Bill?
No shit.
There's... Wow. We need to go faster.
Ah!
I'm leaving her now. Bye.
Wow.
I'm leaving her. Oh yeah, there's the. Right there. Help me. Help me. I need to leave now.
When you come in like Godzilla, like.
See right there.
Applesauce.
Yeah, it's hard to
It's
do
a
this.
bird's nest.
Hey guys, Vsauce. I'm being stabbed by the stick of nightmares. Help me. I'm not carrying the stick.
You're carrying me. Stick lady. I'm the stick goat lady.
No.
I'm a stick man, guys. Get it? Stick man. Ha ha ha.
That was awful. I'm taller than you. I'm just down here now. Hello.
Now you're getting closer.
Closer.
Getting closer.
Water. What do you have to say about the situation?
There's water over there. There's water over there.
It's quite liquidy. I don't know. Trying to think of a water pun.
There's a Doge over there.
Scott, do you know a water pun?
I usually do, but I'm all dried up.
What are we doing after this?
Dog wants to eat my stick. It was
Guys,
just like this. It was
what
just
are we doing after this? I mean, like, what are we doing after
What are
walking?
we doing after this, guys?
I made one. I said I usually have them, but I'm all dried up.
I usually have a pun right now, guys, but I'm all dried up.
Right there. That looks cool. Pretty cool. Who's Logan? I understand his login to the computer.
There's water over there. Holy! Those waves increased very drastically.
So right,
because there's
okay.
science.
So here's a joke.
Someone to lean on. Support a friend.
I need a hero. No.
It's okay. Hold on to the stick.
Hero to the end of the night. And he's gotta be strong, and he's
Hey,
gotta be
hold
fast,
on to
and
the
he's
stick.
gotta be larger than life.
I got a picture. Hold on. One side of the road, people.
Uh,
I'd like to.
this is harder than it looks.
Trash can. Your life, Logan. Get in.
No, I'm good.
Hey, it's my house.
Wow. That's sad.
No, wait, I upgraded. My house is over there, that little bench.
Aye.
Are you okay? You can't run. Don't run.
I know, I'm trying.
Tries to leave Madison. I'm leaving. Here's a birdhouse.
Your supportive friends over here.
Birdhouse.
No.
Birdhouse.
No.
Birdhouse.
Shit, Sherlock. Really now?
No,
You'd
really.
Never got.
He loves her to pieces, don't you, Chloe?
What kind of dog is she?
Puppy.
Oh my gosh. I want your dog, Chloe.
So cute.
Because this water scene is beautiful. You need to stop.
When you're taller.
No.
Who knows? Nobody knows we're reserved.
You get the squirrels?
Oh, look at this.
It's pretty. I think it's talking.
Hi.
There we go.
can't. And then I probably scared away. News. There's in my ways. Roast
Nuts. Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Photography. Let's go. Can you come into my hand? It's like, no, move. Oh my god! Oh my god! Where is it?
I don't know. Running
When
up.
I'm blind. Oh. Hi.
I don't know. Running
When
up.
I'm blind. Oh.